If you want to learn how to create this trending Kung Fu fighting video, then in this video I'm going to show you how to create this style of video using this particular website. So you can see these videos are trending on TikTok. There are a lot of people creating this style of videos, and if you want to create it yourself, then watch this video to the very end. You go to this particular website called Hello AI. So I'll leave the link to this website in this video description for you to access it. When you get to this website, you will need to sign in using your Google account. Then after signing into the website, if you are using a mobile phone, then you need to come down here, click on this plus button at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on that plus button, it's going to give you access to upload the image you want to use for your video. So for this, you are going to click inside this area to upload the image you want to use for this video. Once the image has been uploaded, you can inside this area you need to type in this prompt I'm about to type in. So for this, I'll be writing two-person fighting. So I also write this Kung Fu movies. Then I will write action scene. So after writing that, you need to come down here. It's going to take 30 points from you. So you need to come down here and click on create. Once you click on create, your video is going to start creating. Now you can see that our video is generating now. For it to have quick generation, then you need to do this in the night. So after some few seconds, you can see this is the outcome of our video, and now you can see this is the outcome of our video. If you want to post this video on TikTok using the sound they use for those videos, then you can simply go to TikTok and use the sound they use under this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if this video was helpful, do not hesitate to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.